So first things first, we're going to look at a Schulte table, and we're going to put this up on the screen. Then you're going to see the 1, and then you're going to find the 2, you're going to go to the 3, go to the 4, go to the 5, etc. until you go to 25, okay? So I've got a stopwatch going. I'm going to give you 30 seconds starting now. So find those numbers. We're at 10 seconds. We're at 20 seconds. And 30 seconds. So the question is, what number did you get up to when you're counting numerically? What number did you get to? Post it in the comments. I want to see how high and how far people got. All right, so you notice that Schulte board was different colors, it had different numbers, and color and text are two different parts of your brain, so it's hard for your brain to find those pieces. And you can build one of these yourself, and what's really cool about this is the more you do it, the better you get at it, and you start being able to find the numbers more quickly. Practice it. Make a board. You can do it on the computer. You can draw one out. You can do all sorts of cool things. Or you can just go online and Google Schulte boards, and you can find them as well. If you like that activity and want to see more experiments, make sure you like and subscribe. See you soon.